Dear students, we are continuing our discussion on Module 3. This is the third video on Module 3. In first video, we have discussed about the industrial safety. Then second video lecture, we have discussed about industrial accident. The last part, we are discussing about the pollution and the environmental consideration. In the first two parts, we are used a PowerPoint presentation. Here, I am using a scanned document. That the clarity is less. Please forgive me about that. So, pollution is a very simple topic. We all are studying from in our plus 2 days onwards about the industrial pollution and how it affects the environment. So, I am not taking much time. I just want to tell the summary about that. As we know that from the industrial revolution onwards, after industrial revolution, when there's a rapid increase in technology and when the number of industries are increased, it produces many type of pollutions. Of course, due to pollution, either it may be pollution from factories or many type of industry or whatever it may be, it affects the environment in a very negative way. So we know that many type of industrial pollutions are there, and many countries are applied many laws to avoid industrial pollutions. So industrial pollution affects nowadays we know that it affects our drinking water, air quality, noise, sound, light, many type of industrial pollutions are there. So I just want to tell about that. Pollution may be we are giving to a natural environment which affecting a worse change. Pollution can be a chemical substance, or it may be noise or a heat or light. So maybe it may be foreign particles or energy which we are giving to the surroundings. There are in a survey in 2015, it says that around 9 million people died due to many type of pollutants. So what are the different types of pollutions we know? We know that the major forms of pollutions nowadays we see in the industry. The most commonly known pollution is air pollution. As we know that air pollutions are due to the release of chemicals, particularly to the atmosphere. It may be to the formed gases like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, or CFCs or chlorofluorocarbons. Many the other which affecting. We all know that how the pollutions are affecting our ozone layer, how it increase the global warming, etc. So air pollution is one of the major type of pollution. Light pollution is also due to many industries including light trespassers, over illumination, etc. create light pollution. Littering is another type. Littering means basically it's a chemical throwing of inappropriate man-made objects. Actually we are throwing many type of things to the atmosphere, environment, which affects pollution. Noise pollution is another type. Roadway noise, aircraft noise, industrial noise, many type of noise pollutions are there. Plastic pollution, one of the important pollution which affecting the industry nowadays all over the world. Soil contamination is another type of pollution which commonly known. We know that radioactive pollution from the 20th century itself due to atomic physics, nuclear power generation, etc. There are many radioactive pollution substances are there nowadays in our industry. Thermal pollution is another type of pollution due to temperature change. Actually, bodies many type of thermal pollutions are there. Water pollution, one of the most important pollution nowadays caused due to the industry, discharge of waste to the water. We know that the water quality, drinking water quality is degrading nowadays due to the many pollutants like chlorine, many chemical substances, chemical fertilizers, pesticides. Due to many reasons, is another type of pollution. So these are the major types which affect the industry: solid, liquid, water, air, noise, heat. These all are different types of pollution happening nowadays. Why this type of pollution is happening, or what are the causes of industrial pollution? The one can be lack of policies, lack of laws, lack of effective policies, and effective monitoring of laws may be the one of the major reasons for industrial pollution. Second can be unplanned industrial growth. As we know, the industries are growing very rapidly, but there is no much planning. It's also affecting industrial pollution. Use of outdated technologies will be another reason for industrial cause. We are not ready to avoid the old emissions, old vehicles, etc. Nowadays, we know that about the newer vehicle pollution laws which implemented in our country. Presence of large number of small-scale industries which not properly monitored, insufficient waste disposal system. That is one of the major reason for pollution. Many industries do not have a proper way to how to dispose the waste, and another reason may be leaking of resource from our natural world. Actually, we are trying to extract large amount of raw material which also cause the pollution. So, what are the effects of pollution? We know that we all are experiencing the different effects of pollution. The major we experience is the water pollution, right? Due to the water pollutants, the effect of quality of water drastically decreasing. So, it's affecting the rivers, different canals, our ecosystem, etc. Soil pollution. Nowadays, we know that the soil is not much fertile now. It's not good for agriculture, etc. It's another reason affecting the pollution. It's affecting the soil very badly. Another area will be air pollution. We all are hearing the about ozone layer, global warming, etc. How the industries are affecting air, the quality of air. Wildlife extinction. We are hearing the stories from Amazon. Many wildlife sanctuaries, how the total pollution rate of the world affecting the wild sanctuary. Global warming, ozone layer depletion. We all know that these are some of the side effects of the bad pollution. It's a very simple lecture. We all know what are the reasons for pollution and how we can eliminate the pollution. How we can eliminate the pollution, as we discussed earlier, we can eliminate the pollution by having a proper policies. The cause of industrial pollution will be also written as how we can eliminate the pollution. Through proper policies, the proper planning of industrial growth, proper using of technologies, but proper monitoring different industries, proper waste disposal system, and proper usage of resources, etc. We can avoid pollutions. So we all know about this lecture. Very simple topic. This is about the last lecture in module 3. Hope it's very clear for you. So we are winding up module 3 discussion here. Thank you.